Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you? Thank you so much for watching my video daily. It means a lot to me if you can subscribe my YouTube channel, like the video, and share my videos. Okay, today's video, are you guys ready? Okay, we are going to do three things. Number one, we're gonna do Disney haul. I'm gonna show you what I bought. And number two, I want to show you quickly what is new at the Walt Disney in downtown Disney. And then we're gonna do a giveaway LOUNGEFLY backpack. Let's get today's video started. Okay, so you can see the view right here. I want to quickly, hold please. So I want to quickly show you a small clip that I was at the World of Disney. Today is September 21st, the Tuesday. I was at Disney and, you know, just kind of hanging out, filming my content. Then I want to check out the Disney store in downtown Disney. So I want to quickly show you what I found. There are a couple of things really cool, so you should check it out. Take a look. Very cute. Cars Land and Toy Story. It's pretty roomy. Oh my god, this is so cute. How much is this? $34.99. Oh my god, this is super cute. Oh my gosh, okay. Be strong, Steve. Don't buy everything you see here. That's new merch. But I don't know where this thing comes from though. Anybody know what is the grape soda come from? Because I have no idea. What is the grape soda come from?
From Up.
Oh.
So his wife, the little button that she gave him.
Oh, okay. I was thinking, what does that come from? Thank you. Thank you very much. So these are the limited edition pins. I don't know anyone collect this. But there they are. This thing actually moves back and forth inside. It's kind of cute. So I just want to share that with you guys. I want to show you what I bought. I didn't buy all this in one day, honestly. I just buying it here and there, and I just forgot to do the video. I'm like, oh my gosh, I should do a video. So I put everything in one big bag to show you guys. Okay, are you guys ready? So first thing I want to show you, I think you guys are gonna be so excited. Okay, I'm gonna do this one first. So, you know, since I've been doing video daily, I feel like my holiday is coming so much more earlier than before. I already filmed like a couple of Halloween content already. That's crazy. So I bought, of course, you gotta have a Mickey ear for the Halloween, and this year is all about, like Rich Love say, Burberry. No, the plaque. And this is the design for this year's Halloween. It's so cute. I bought an ear. So, and I do have quite a few ears. You want to see how many I have? Let me show you guys. Hold please. Can you guys see that? Whoa. I still need to do a review on all my ears. Yeah, it's a hot mess there right now. Okay. So that's another video. So this is brand new Halloween ear. Mickey ear. Mini ear with a bow right here. With a sequin. It's very cute. One thing about the ear, I gotta tell you, don't try to buy the plastic headband one. The one that light up with plastic, it hurt your head so much. And sometimes you got tangled with your hair. It's not a good thing. So this fabric material is much more better. Now I want to show you a new backpack I just got. LOUNGEFLY backpack. I have no idea you guys love this so much. Oh my god. So this one is so special. It is white backpack all around it, but with a mini ears. Okay. So what is so special about this backpack? Let me show you guys. There's two zipper. The back zipper is the standard. Hold on. Again. The tissue is a large backpack just like that. There's a back zipper right here, and then I like this one because it has a side pocket. Remember I told you guys when I wear my backpack I like to do a crossbody, so this way it's easy to get my stuff out. But what, this really cool thing here, for those of you who big on LOUNGEFLY, you probably know, but for those of you who don't know, oh my god, you are gonna be shocked. Ready? The front pocket is designed to hold your Mickey ear. Let me show you guys. So this is a little too kind of sad strap right here. Then you want to do is you want to put a Mickey ear in this pocket. And I'm just pushing there. And then you put the strap over it. Hold on, hold please. And you want to snap so you can secure the Mickey ear. Okay, see the Mickey ear? Stay in here. It's not moving. And then you can zip it to the side here like that. So when you carry the backpack, this is it. I mean, it's like so simple, but yet so cool, and people's going crazy for this. There, I said earlier, we're gonna do a giveaway, right? We are giving away, hold please. I'm not gonna give you an ear, that's sad. I am giving you guys this backpack. Anybody want this? If you want this, stay tuned. I'm going to tell you how you're going to enter this giveaway. Go follow Yibu Beauty on the Instagram. Number 2, comment a post on the Instagram. Say you're here for the giveaway. Simple, right? And number 3, super simple. Go visit yibubeauty.com. Scroll all the way down. On the right hand corner, then you will see Join Yibu Mail. And you input your email address and hit subscribe. That's it. I promise you we will not flood your email with a bunch of junk. We'll only share what's new and what's exciting. And the reason why I would love to have you to join Yibu Mail is because this is the only way we can reach out to you, share with you all the exciting news, special promotion code, and a new product launch. So I would love you can do that and support my small business. That's it. Very simple. So good luck, and hopefully you'll get this for free. Now let's see what else. So now you're probably okay. I know the giveaway. I'm gonna stop watching. Don't stop watching. Continue watching my video. Okay, I want to show you another thing I bought. It's really cute. Actually, I didn't buy this. Rich Lust got this for me. This is the Mickey Pumpkin trick or treat bag. Okay, what is so special about this? It sings. Hold on. And it lights up. I'm gonna turn off the light later to show you guys these things light up. But it's a very bulky, it's not a functional item. It's really a display, I would think. You can get this anywhere in Disney right now. Jack, the Jack, the popcorn holder. Oh my god, this comes with a strap here too. It's like they sold out so quickly. I don't know if you guys know that when they first opened the Haunted Mansion for the Halloween decorations, they have this Mickey Mouse, Mummy Mickey Mouse. I didn't know they have that, and I was there. They sold out in one day and I never see it again. I'm so upset. But anyway, I was able to get this. Jack, the skeleton, so cute. So this is the one. And then I also found this. Oh my god. Look at this. See that? Everything's bendable. I don't really know what's the name of this product, but basically you can open it and then there's a strap here. It's like a drink holder. But it's very bizarre though. I mean, his tuxedo thing go all the way up. The feet can be kind of bent like this. Okay, hold on, hold please. Honestly, don't know how to use this thing because if you put the straw in here, how are you going to suck? How are you going to get the straw in your mouth? But anyway, obviously I'm not buying this for drinking. The thing. I'm just buying this for decoration. Look how cute is it. I think they do have a toys like this, but I think this is cooler looking. Way cooler. And I'm gonna put a description where you can find this thing right here. All the other stuff easy to find in the Disney, except this is limited. If you see it, just get it right away because it will be gone so fast. See, what else do I want to show? Do I have anything else? Yeah, that's it. So I want to show you what I bought at Disney and show you a little shopping and focus on the giveaway. I hope that you liked today's video and enter this giveaway. It will mean the world to me. And I will see you guys tomorrow, okay? Bye!